Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing your best for your board exam. In this video, I am discussing about model question paper of 12th Biology Gujarat Board. So, let's begin with part A. It is a MCQ type questions. You have to select any one correct option from four option which is given to you. Question number 1. What is the pattern of flowering in Nilkurunji plant? It is from chapter 1, Strobilanthus kunthiana. This plant seen in western Ghat of South India like Kerala and Karnataka. So correct answer is D. Flowering occurs every 12 years. Question number 2. Identify the X and Y in given figure. So this is the figure of fertilized ovary which is going to develop in fruit. So here X is seed and Y is pericarp. Question number 3. How does banana reproduce vegetatively? Here, banana is parthenocarpic fruit. It means it develops without fertilization and it is seedless. So here answer is D, rhizome. Question number 4. It is assertion and reason type question. A. Pollen grain can withstand high temperature and strong acids and alkali. Reason, exine of pollen is made up of sporopollenin. So here A and R both are true and R is correct explanation of A. Sporopollenin is a chemical that can resist against environmental stress. Question number 5. Which temperature is suitable for longer term storage of pollens? Generally, gametes are stored in liquid nitrogen and its temperature is minus 196 Celsius. So this temperature is suitable for the long term storage of gametes like pollen and sperms or even egg. 6. Identify the group containing perisperm. So, what is perisperm? It is a mass of nutritive material outside the embryo sac. Here, answer is black pepper and beet. Question number 7 is match column 1 and 2. Column 1 has myometrium, perimetrium and endometrium, which are wall of uterus, and mons pubis is a part of female external genitalia. So correct option for this column P, myometrium. Myometrium is the outermost layer of uterus. Perimetrium is the middle layer of uterus and endometrium is innermost layer of uterus. While mons pubis it consists of adipose tissue. So here all options are correctly matched. Question number 8. Select the options with correct statement from the following. 1. Sperm receive nutrition from Sertoli cells. 2. Sertoli cell produce androgen. 3. Leading cell synthesize androgen. 4. Leading cell originate from ovary. 5. The menstrual cycle is not observed during pregnancy. Here, statement 1, 3 and 5 are true. 9. Which method does not allow Reimplantation after use. Here answer is sterilization method, because this method are highly effective, but their reversibility is very poor. 10. Sexually transmitted diseases are transmitted by which microorganism? Here, correct option is D. Virus, fungi, bacteria, and protozoa. All are responsible for STD disease. 11. It is a assertion and reason type question. So the couple should abstain from intercourse for 10 to 17 days of menstrual cycle, because the chance of fertilization is more during 10 to 17 days of menstrual cycle. So here both the statement are correct, and this is the natural method to avoid pregnancy. So the correct answer is A. 12. The function of copper ions released from copper device in uterus. Correct option is D. Motility and fertilization efficiency of sperm is affected by IUDs. 13. The behavior of chromosome is also like genes. Name scientist who studied it. Correct answer is C. Sutton and Boveri. 14. What are the conditions responsible for Turner syndrome? Here answer is D. X0. Instead of double X in female, only one X chromosome present. 15. What is the percentage of color blindness in male? So answer is B. 8%. 16. Which genetic code perform dual function? So here answer is AUG. It acts as a methionine amino acid as well as it is a initiator. 17. Expand VNTR. So full form of VNTR is variable number of tandem repeats. It is a part of DNA fingerprinting. 18. How DNA fragments can be separated? So answer is by gel electrophoresis. 19. Sustain high fever, weakness, stomach pain, headache, and intestinal perforation are symptoms of which disease? Answer is B. Typhoid. 20. Identify X and Y in given figure. So this is a figure of heavy and light chain of antibody, and correct answer is B. X heavy chain and Y antigen binding site. So antigen is a microorganism. 21. Choose the correct pair. A. Physical barrier is skin. Physiology barrier tears from eyes. Cellular barrier white blood cells. Cytokinin barrier interferon. 22. Pick up a correct pair. So butyric acid is prepared from Clostridium butylicum. 23. In which free living fungus trichoderma is used? Correct answer is C, as a biological control agent in plant disease. 24. Mycorrhiza glomus fungi. So nitrogen fixing free living bacteria is Azotobacter. 25. Statement: baculovirus cause disease in insects and arthropoda. Statement Y. Baculovirus is biocontrol agent which is included under nucleopolyhedrospecies. So here both the statement are false. 26. Restriction endonuclease. It cut DNA at specific site. 27. What are the basic steps in formation of GMO? Here, all the options are correct. Identification of DNA with desirable gene, introduction of identified DNA into host, and maintenance of introduced DNA into the host and transfer of DNA to its progeny. Which sequence is correct for polymerase chain reaction method? Answer is B. Denaturation, annealing, and extension. 29. What are the optimal conditions our bioreactor provide for achiever as desired product? Answer is B. Temperature, pH, oxygen, and vitamin. 30. Golden rice is enriched with which vitamin? Here answer is C. Vitamin A. 31. The first clinical gene therapy was used in which disease? Answer is A. Adenosine deaminase. 32. Human protein antitrypsin is used to treat which disease? Answer is C. Emphysema. It is a respiratory disorder. 33. Pick up correct option for 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is a figure of population growth and correct answer is C. Increment, increment, decrement and decrement. 34. Organism reproducing only once in lifetime. Here answer is D. A and B both. Pacific salmon fish and bamboo, they reproduce only once in a lifetime and it is a old syllabus question. 35. Which principle state that two closely related species competing for the same resource cannot coexist indefinitely and the competitively inferior one will be eliminated eventually? Here answer is B. Gauss competitive exclusion principle. 36. In which part of India thousands of migratory birds come from Siberia and other extremely cold northern region? So here answer is A. Cleoladeo National Park, Bharatpur, Rajasthan. This is also a old syllabus question. 37. Who represent the highest species in terms of global diversity? Answer is D. Fungi. 38. How many new areas have been added to the list of hotspot later? Answer is A. 9. How many species were documented in the list of extinction by IUCN Red List in the last 500 years? Answer is B. 748. 40. The hormone secreted by women only during pregnancy is answer D. All of this: HCG, HPL, and relaxin. 41. Adoption of which method is the ultimate aim to have children? Here answer is option A. GIFT, ICSI and ZIFT. 42. How much time is required for replication in E. coli? So answer is D. 18 minutes. 43. The express sequence in eukaryotic organism are called as option B. Exon. 44. The cells which can act as phagocytes and destroy microbes. Answer is D. All of these: PMNL, monocytes and natural killer cell. 45. Which organism produce citric acid? So correct answer is B. Aspergillus niger. 46. Which is free living nitrogen fixing bacteria? So here answer is option D. A and B both. Azospirillum and Azotobacter both can fix free nitrogen. 47. All eukaryotic organisms use which method of cellular defense? Answer is A. RNA interferon. 48. Chain A and B of insulin is linked together by which bond? Answer is C. Disulfide bond. 49. Choose the sentence that best describe the parasite. Answer is option D. One organism is benefited and other affected. 50. Which plant employs sexual deceit to pollinate? Answer is option A. Mediterranean orchid. Section A. Here you have to write any 8 questions out of 12 and each carries 2 marks. 1. Explain the formation of zygote. Chapter number 1. Explain the process of microgametogenesis or microsporogenesis. Chapter number 2. Explain about infertility. Chapter 3. Explain codominance. Chapter 5. Explain the word nucleosome and nucleoid. Chapter 6. Explain molecular structure of the antibody. Chapter 8. Water as a abiotic factor in ecology. Explain. Chapter number 13. 8. Explain alien species invention with example. Chapter number 15. Explain MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Chapter number 4. 10. Explain biochemical characterization of transforming principle. Chapter number 6. It is a Griffith effect. 11. Explain contribution of microbes as biofertilizer. And 12. Explain ex situ conservation. Section B. You have to write any 6 question and each carries 3 marks. 13. Mention salient features of genetic code. Write short note on allergy. Explain use of microbes in production of chemicals and enzymes. 16. Explain formation of insulin through genetic engineering. 17. Why should we conserve biodiversity? 18. Explain carbon cycle in detail. 19. Explain asexual reproduction in plants with example. 20. What is immunity? Explain barrier of innate immunity. 21. Explain separation and isolation of DNA fragments. Section C. It is 4 marks question and you have to write any 4 questions. Here question number 22. Explain formation of human female germ cell process with the help of chart. 23. Explain inheritance of 2 gene work by Mendel in pea plant. 24. Explain Michelson's and Stahl's experiment. 25. Explain restriction sites and cloning sites in E. coli cloning vector PBR322. 26. Mention salient features of Human Genome Project. And 27. Explain in detail about any 4 population interaction. This is a sample paper from board 2019.